It might be old meat.
Jesus Christ.
Here's the turkey. We are back. We are back at CocoCay.
We are back! Yes, we are back!
Good morning, Broadwalkers. So this is the third day of our sailing. We're coming to an end, and we are at Perfect Day, CocoCay. Anyway, before we get off the ship and just relax a little bit on the island, I wanted to show you the mini golf on the Utopia of the Seas, which is also awesome, amazing. Look at this. Next to our ship is the Liberty of the Seas, which we also did a couple of years back for Thanksgiving. It's a smaller ship, older ship. Look at this. It's a different style. Remember, if you see my video, Icon of the Seas, it's a little different. Every ship has a different theme. That's pretty cool. Background. Oh, the air balloon is up already. Look at that. And then this area here is for kids. They have this on Wonder of the Seas as well towards the back. Little kid area, playground. And this is still the mini golf. This is really cool. And then of course, Perfect Day CocoCay. Got some guests already on the island already. Band playing, balloon is up. Look at this view. Amazing view. And the basketball court where they play soccer, basketball, dodgeball. And then the zip line, which I did on Wonder of the Seas. Kayla was scared to do it. You guys gotta check out the video, Wonder of the Seas. I'll put the link in the video. Put a screenshot on the video. Wonder of the Seas video, which is cool. Morning, sir. And that dining area there are for the suite owners, and the area on the lounge area on the top is also for people who purchase the suite. And then Windjammer. Now this Windjammer is not like the Windjammer on Icon, and I don't think it's even the same as the one on Wonder. I feel like it's half the size. It feels that way. Anyway, let's keep going. Flow riders on that side. And again, this is the aft of the ship, the back of the ship. There you have the Abyss, which we also did on the Wonder of the Seas. It is not on Icon of the Seas though. And I just noticed something that I've never seen before. All of those buildings back there. That's the first time I've seen that. All of those buildings back there. I have never seen that there. Never paid attention to that. That might be where the employees live, the ones who work on the island. That if that's what it is, that is pretty cool. But I have never noticed that, and we've been here 5 times. Perfect Day CocoCay. So we're not gonna record too much on the island because we literally were just here a month ago, and we have recorded an extensive video. I might take a look at what I missed, and if I missed something, I'm gonna record it, but I don't think I did. So we're not really gonna record too much on the island. If I do, it's probably something that I missed from the last video on Icon, which I did an extensive video. We even got inside of an exclusive beachside where we walked through some trees and wooded area. So check out the video. I'll put the link at the bottom. And Kay's right here. Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I was telling them that we're not really going to record too much on the island because we just did an extensive video last month on Icon of the Seas. And if we do, again, it's something that I probably missed, which I never noticed these buildings here. Those buildings there, I have never noticed in my life. And what I'm thinking, that's the housing for the employees that work there. I don't remember seeing that.
No.
And we've been here many times.
You know why? Because I think every time we see it, it's by the balcony. And the balcony is always going to the side.
Yeah, maybe, I don't know. But we've walked up here before. So, but I'm gonna put a screenshot of the video for Icon of the Seas at the bottom so that you guys can check it out. We did an extensive video where we got into some exclusive beachside on Perfect Day CocoCay, right where we walk through the woods. Let's see. I don't know. Then you have Flow Rider here. See, every ship has a theme. This one has these little monkeys, surfing monkeys. And you have Flow Rider. Oh, I like the seating here. I haven't seen the seating by the flow rider before. Look at that background. It's an amazing day too. We'll check out the surf monkey here. Oh yeah, let's go. And then this court here, they do soccer, so tennis, racquetball, dodgeball, basketball, if I mentioned that. And yeah, Windjammer again. And then over there is the local fresh and cantina. Cantina fresh. You can get some tacos, burritos, chips with melted cheese. And then on the side of that, you have Cantina Fresh, where you can get some drinks to go along with your Mexican food. And this is the landing for the zip line. This is where you land at. You come from that side there, all the way here, and you land there. Oh, they do pickleball now as well. Pickleball. You got ping pong tables. And then the teenagers club is right here on this side, next to the ping pong tables. The Social 100, 13 years old to 17. Let's go get Kayla. Let's go get Kayla and start the day. Breakfast is done. I didn't record breakfast because it was the same breakfast that I get every day. The waffle, the French toast, a slice of waffle, slice of French toast, hash browns, and coffee. And then today I got some orange juice. Let's go get Kay. Good morning, Broadwalkers. Finally, we are downstairs and we are back.
CocoCay.
We are back! Yes, we are back!
We weren't
CocoCay.
gonna come down because we've been there so many times. And the last video on Icon, which is a month ago, I did an extensive video of Perfect Day CocoCay. So I'm just gonna hit the spots that I missed and then just relax for the day.
Just a
And
little
then
walk.
later, we'll do the nightlife, which is not going to be a lot, but we have to be off the ship tomorrow morning early.
So sad.
Too bad, so sad. So let's go. I'm going to check the map and see what I missed from last time, because I noticed something this morning that I did not see the last few times. So come along with us. Let's go. So as you can see, we have Utopia and Liberty. Not a big of a difference.
A little, yeah, you can,
Oh, yeah,
you
you
can
can.
tell, yeah.
You can. Hey, perfect.
That's
day.
Norwegian over there. They have
CocoCay.
two, pobre gente, they have
Man,
to
they
tender.
are building that fast. Look at the cranes out there. I said I was gonna record a lot, but just little clips for you guys. We've already been here literally a month ago. But again, I'm just gonna look for places I missed. And that'll be it until the evening time. I'm gonna hit the dancers here. And the pirate, remember the pirate? Respect, respect, respect. Alright, so the part we missed last time was Hideaway Beach. Let's go to Hideaway Beach, baby. Alright, so they bust our bubble. On our way to the tram, going to Hideaway Beach, there's someone there asking you if you purchased the pass for that area because it is not a complimentary beach. So they turned us away. We're gonna try to go a different way, although I know they're gonna stop us at the entrance. So, whatever, let's go.
You can try.
Hey, 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 hey. So guys, again, I attempted to go inside the Coco Beach Club. There was no one at the front. I walked in, well, we walked in, got halfway and noticed that there was someone on the other side asking for the reservation for this location here, which I've been trying to vlog and show you guys. And I'm not trying to stay there, I'm just trying to record it, that's all. And so we had to come back. I tried, but I'm not gonna give up. If we keep coming here, I'm gonna keep trying. So it is what it is, and that's why I need you guys to support the channel so that we can have enough money to reserve it and show you guys. It's super beautiful. On this section in the mornings, you see a lot of stingrays and sharks, small sharks. The stingrays and the little nurse sharks, it looks like they live here until the guests come and get in the water. That's when they leave. They probably hide under that dark area. What do you say we go relax? You want to go lay down? Where do you want to go? That spot you mentioned? We got the chicken sandwich. It's okay. They're super thin, as you can see. It's not those chunky chicken sandwiches. They're good. They're okay. Complimentary.
Yeah.
And then the mozzarella sticks, those are good. And they stretch. You know that you get that stretch, that cheesy stretch. Those are good. And I got the funnel cake. Oh yeah, baby. This is also complimentary. Oh wait, Kayla's showing you how stretchy that cheese is. Ooh, and you get the marinara sauce to dip. It's really good, complimentary. At the shack over there. Yeah, so we're just chilling a little bit more, and then we're gonna head back to the ship to relax on the deck and enjoy the rest of the day. There's not much to pack. We're just gonna throw it in the bag and just walk it down ourselves. It's a small luggage. It is what it is, baby. All right, Broadwalkers, that'll do it for today at CocoCay. Perfect day, CocoCay. So we didn't record a lot. We chilled, ate a little bit. Now we're heading back to the ship. We probably spent like an hour,
Yeah.
maybe 2 hours the most. So if you want to see this island, I did an extensive video when we were on Icon of the Seas. Check that video out. It's going to be linked in the description. Let's go. Now on to relax on the ship, and then I'll film the nightlife before the day is up. This is the last day of the trip. Not saying goodbye, but I'll catch y'all later. Peace.
Bye.
Big difference, but they're not that far apart though. It's just the style.
The cabins
Oh yeah,
on the side.
yeah,
Like,
you're right.
yeah.
There is a big difference.
Big difference. Yeah.
But yeah, Royal. If you haven't been on a Royal cruise, you have to go on a Royal cruise. Don't listen to anyone telling you, negative things about Royal until you go for yourself and experience it. Royal is the bomb. We used to go on Carnival, not anymore. We tried Carnival last year, and yeah, we're back to Royal. Let's go. All right, guys. So check this out. 2 hours later, came to Windjammer. Got the Indian rice. I guess jasmine rice. I got the lentil chili. Tried some barbecue chicken, and then we grabbed beef lasagna. Kayla got some guac with her chips and some cheese. Yeah, just playing around with the food, testing it out. That's what you could do here on a cruise, right? A lot of people come here for that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. So now, yo, that jasmine rice and that chili lentil had me like this dancing. Hey, hey, hey. But now, let's try this thing. I don't know. She said this looked like fake meat. So, I don't know.
It says beef. Beef.
It says beef, but it looks, I don't know, it looks weird.
It looks fake.
It might have been sitting there for a while.
It's
Or
dry.
it might be
looks
old.
dry. Yeah.
It looks super dry. It might be old meat.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, that is nasty. It looks weird. It looks really weird. No. That's a major no. Let's go. See what they have for desserts. Cream puff. I like the cream puff, but not the matcha one. Raspberry pound cake. Hey. The Oreo mousse. And then the cherry tart. Blueberry on the side. Pastries on this side. You have the peanut butter and jelly. Of course, the fruit, which is delicious. This keeps you hydrated. Right there. Pasta. I have more pastries on this side. They have, no sugar added coffee cheesecake. Interesting. And then English trifle gluten-free. We got salads for you guys. Potato salad, gluten-free, vegetarian. Greek salad. That looks good. So I'm sitting down. I see this guy with the camera right there. And then I look to the zip line. And it's because they have a turkey about to come down on the zip line. Right there. I'm gonna see him right now. With the camera. There we go. There's the turkey. Flapping the wings. Listen, there's food for everybody here. Before I show you another healthy side of food option, they have this display of breads. This is a cheese bread, and then salted caraway burrata bread, right? And then you have the sourdough bread, and then again cheese rolls. They have more options, like healthy options. They have lettuce, egg spread, lobster spread, chicken spread, red onions, cheeses, cheddar, nuts, celery sticks, carrot sticks, cucumber sticks. Look at this. Look at this spread. Prosciutto, spianata picante, contains pork. They have hummus. Look at this. Grilled peppers, marinated olives, frittata. I'm telling you, they have options for everybody. No one can mess with them. It's amazing. Look at this. Look at this. It's like a little bridge. And there go the jellyfish again. That looks cool. And there goes Central Park. Let's go. And look what they have today. Look what they left us. Now this is a bunny. Yesterday, I don't know what that was. To be honest, I don't know what that was. This is a bunny. So this is the last day of the cruise. Tomorrow, we're going back home. Let's go.